In this video, we'll learn how to create a new supplier. So just click the new supplier here in the upper right corner of your screen. Just click this one. So the setup of the new supplier is divided into three simple sections. So the first is the basic information. So you need to fill the type, if it's hotel, insurance guide, airlines, visa, restaurant, and so on. Of course, the supplier name. Like for example, let's here is Camps Gen. And of course their website as well, we're gonna have that. Of course, the city, the country, and the region. Of course, don't forget to fill in their address. And I have the currency as well, the payment terms, of course the rating, and you can add notes as well. So this information becomes the supplier main profile. And then the next one, we have here the contact information rather. So of course, main email, need to fill that, main phone number, of course, their WhatsApp, the primary contact name, and then the contact title, the direct email, and direct phone. And this allows you to, to keep every supplier agreement stored inside the Travel Boost. And the next one, we have here the banking information. Of course, you need to enter the bank name, bank account number, of course, the IBAN, the SWIFT or BIC, and then the tax ID. So this information is useful, especially when processing supplier payments. Alright, we're gonna create once you're gonna click create supplier once you are done. Okay. So once everything is complete, you can simply click save, and your supplier will now appear inside here in the supplier directory. Like for example, we created this DMC Valley Adventures. It'll gonna appear here, and of course it's categorized. It will categorize if it's hotel, DMC, airline, and transfer. Okay, and you can also click here new supplier, and I click here or in here. Okay, so that's it. You know how to add a new supplier now, and we'll see you in the next video tutorial. Thank you.